Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Most commercial solar plants already have SCADA. The problem is not access to data. The problem is what happens after the data lands. Too often, alarms pile up, dashboards multiply, and nobody has a clean path from detection to action. That is why SCADA plus AI matters. Not because SCADA is outdated, because SCADA alone was never designed to carry the full burden of modern operational prioritization. Think of SCADA as the nervous system. It tells you what the plant is doing. AI is the layer that helps interpret what matters first. When the two work together, you move from visibility to triage, from triage to diagnosis, and from diagnosis to action. Let's break this into 3 practical integration steps. First, normalize the data. If tags, timestamps, and asset hierarchies are inconsistent, the analysis will stay noisy. Second, define the failure logic. Decide what combinations of signals indicate curtailment, inverter underperformance, tracker issues, communications faults, or likely field defects. Third, connect those findings to workflows the team already uses. Here is the objection that always shows up around this point. People think integration means replacing everything. Usually it does not. In the best setups, AI sits on top of the existing stack, reads the data, enriches the event, and pushes a cleaner work queue to the operator. That is important because nobody wants another dashboard that creates more meetings. The integration only matters if it reduces operator load, shortens diagnosis time, and improves uptime. Mid-video review. We have covered data normalization and event logic. The final pillar is workflow design, and this is the one that decides whether the system becomes useful or ignored. A good workflow answers 4 questions fast. What happened? Where did it happen? How certain are we? What should the team do next? If your current SCADA stack cannot answer those 4 questions quickly, the issue is not data volume, it is decision design. The commercial advantage is straightforward. Better triage means fewer missed losses. Better context means fewer wasted dispatches. Better uptime means a stronger operating margin without scaling headcount linearly. So the playbook is not complicated. Clean the inputs, define the logic, route the output into actual operations. That sounds simple, but it is exactly where many plants still fall apart. The next step is to audit one recurring alarm class in your SCADA system and see how much time the team loses before it becomes a field-ready action. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.